Hello traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about how the market has been behaving and what are the crucial levels to look out for. And also I have handpicked one of the stocks over here for you to watch tomorrow. And let me just take you through. Today we were testing algo. So there has been a lot of issues with the code. So and plus I think 5paisa has decided to update their beta site over here at this moment, and with some other issue I'm having a problem with the P&L. But today, if you want to check what our P&L was, please visit our Telegram channel that is being listed below, where I have kept a track of our profits and losses since the last 7 months that I've been live trading. So check out the Telegram channel and please join the link in the description below to know more. And let us quickly understand where the market is heading tomorrow. Now, in terms of the live trading videos, I understand that live trading videos don't give too much of a knowledge of what has happened already, but I might actually prep you up to what can happen tomorrow. So that might be very crucial for me. So I'll stick on to the daily analysis going forward, and live trading videos as and when, if you want to be a part of it, we might go ahead and introduce a daily live trading option where you can join in on a day-to-day basis. So that might be introduced soon. And you can check one of our events if you like, then stick with us for a monthly basis. So without further ado, let us go ahead and check as to what was the biggest drama done by the indices today. So let me be honest with you guys, until and unless we are taking out the 16,000 round number, we need to ensure that it is sell on rise market. Okay, so the most important thing, that is going to be for the day going forward is the first 15-minute candle. Okay, so in this first 15-minute candle, anything below this or above this, please expect a momentum here. So that is one thing that I want to tell you. But however, you would need to go ahead and analyze the market before you actually step up to any volatile trades, because I'll tell you, this is going to be a volatile week. There's a lot of adjustments that they need to do. Nifty and Banknifty have been at the same place for more than a month, so they have to move somewhere. It might happen this week. There is a high probability, or it can happen the next week, but we should be ready. So during this volatile market, I want you to consider the first 5-minute, 15-minute candle and then follow your pursuit. So over here in Nifty, the most crucial level, guys, I need to tell you that if it takes out the high of 15,900, then we are going to have a very simple and easy target on the upside. And this target over here would be 62 points. Okay, and if it sustains there for another 5-10 minutes and then breaks out, then we can see the round number breach of 16,000. But the other important level over here to go bearish would be 15,796. So anything below this, what I want you to do is I want you to wait for the candle to consolidate here under this area. Okay, and then whichever side it breaks, what I want you to do is buy that particular direction. So if it comes here, takes a support, makes a bullish candle in 15 or 5-minute time frame, then look for the targets upside. But if it is doing a bearish candle over here downside, then please remember that your first target over here would be somewhere around 15,726, and the second target would be right over here. That would be 15,678. So the probabilities over here for these levels are crucial, but remember there would be a no trading zone between 15,769 and 15,796 for tomorrow. And over here in Nifty Bank, if I would want to tell you the standard structure of this Nifty Bank over here is this trend line. Now I've got the news that Axis Bank has given somewhere around 92% increase in its profits year on year. So everything is going to be volatile tomorrow because two big giants like Kotak and Axis are going to introduce their results. So most probably there would be a probability that there would be volatility in Bank Nifty. But remember, if you want to take a very simple and easy trade, what I want you to do is wait for 35,348 to be breached, and then you can look for a target over here till 35,772. If that sustains over there for some minutes and then takes out that level, then I want you to ensure that you do not trade between 36,000 and 35,781. Remember, there is a bit of a divergence in the order flow. Now, I can explain it to you in detail, and this might become a larger video, but I want to tell you that there are too many sell orders that actually get initiated between these 200 points. So I want you to avoid trading between 35,781 and 36,000. And if it takes out 35,348, then look for this target. Or if it breaks this particular trend line, I think you can easily go ahead and find a particular structural support here. And that would be right here at the bottom. So if this trend line is broken, please remember that your target would be as short as this, somewhere around 500 points. And after the breach of 34,357 is where you need to take the short trade. But you need to book your profits here, because there is a highly likely possibility the price might come down here and then try to bounce back and try to consolidate, under the same area before it tries to break towards the upside. So there is going to be very high volatility, and I want you to ensure that this is taken into consideration. And please remember that this is very important levels that you need to keep in mind. And I hope you have a wonderful day ahead, and these levels help you out. And the stock that I picked out for you is Apollo Hospitals. Now, guys, this guy has not got tired for the last 1 month. It has been breaching, all the resistance levels, and right now it is standing here at the peak. Tomorrow, if it breaks out 4,161, then you can easily look for a target somewhere around till 4,315. So this 153 points are going to be a cakewalk. So please observe this level for 4,161 to be broken. You can put a stop loss on the previous swing and look for a target on the upside. Now this can be both intraday and positional, because there is a huge volumes over here in terms of delta for Apollo Hospitals, and this is something that you need to keep in mind. So with this information, I thank you so much for your time. I wish you have a wonderful day ahead. Take care. Love you all. We'll see you on our next video. For now, if you have any queries or questions, you can put it on the comment section or visit my Telegram channel to understand how we've been live trading so far. And if you like us, then please join us on the live trading forum. We will be happy to welcome you there. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Take care.